Making a rhetoric, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan on Sunday said Pakistan could have responded to India after its missile landed in its country's Punjab province, but it observed restraint. On March 9th, an unarmed Indian supersonic missile entered Pakistani territory and struck a cold storage warehouse near Mian Channu, some 275 kilometers from Lahore. However, no loss of life was reported. Speaking for the first time on the incident, Prime Minister Imran Khan said, "We could have responded after an Indian missile fell in Mian Channu, but we observed a restraint." He was addressing a public rally in Punjab's Hafizabad district on Sunday afternoon in the face of a no-confidence motion moved against him by the joint opposition. Mr. Khan also talked about the country's defense preparedness, saying we have to make our defense and country strong. Earlier, Pakistan's Foreign Office on Saturday said it was not satisfied with India's simplistic explanation on the accidental firing of a missile that landed in Pakistan's Punjab province and demanded a joint probe to accurately establish the facts surrounding the incident. Pakistan has proposed to New Delhi a joint probe into the incident to establish facts since the missile had landed into Pakistani territory. Pakistan's Foreign Office said and asked why India failed to inform Pakistan immediately about the accidental launch of the missile and raised questions regarding the Indian safeguards against such happenings. Pakistan demands a joint probe to accurately establish the facts surrounding the incident, the FO said. India claimed that the missile was fired accidentally during a routine maintenance operation because of a technical malfunction and said that a high-level court of inquiry had been ordered into the incident. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.